Hello everybody. I want to do a video about how I'm going to install an external LP gas tank to my RV. I have a Class C motorhome RV, and if you're familiar with these kind of classes, the tank, which you can see right here behind me, is actually permanently welded into the bottom of the motorhome. And when it comes time in the winter time to where the furnace uses that gas up and have to drive the RV to get it refilled and stuff like that, it's just a pain. So I'm going to put up a external one using these right here. I've already opened it, but this right here, it is a 4-way right here, and basically this end will go toward the house tank. This end here will go toward the inverter, or whatever you call it. This right here will be going to an external whatever it may be, a gas grill, whatever I choose that uses propane. This one right here is actually going to be for the LP tank that is going to be running the furnace and the inside of the RV. And I have the big cord for the external, the external one. But this one is what I'm using for my tank itself. And then I just screw it into there. Okay, let's get started. Okay, everybody, if you can see this, I've already unscrewed it. From here, this piece right here, I keep forgetting it's counterclockwise and clockwise. It's all different when you're dealing with this stuff. But this comes off of here. That's the regulator. And this is the house tank right here where it screws into. Now this piece right here that you're seeing, this, let me set that to the side, this, it's my cap, but this right here goes right inside here. Just like that. And this piece is going to be screwed right inside there. Okay, this is all tightened up and completely tightened up. Now I'm going to hook up the tank to this and check for leaks, and I'm going to use water and Dawn dish soap. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm back outside again. I bought one of those gauges to tell how full the tank is and stuff like that, but I went through the tank really quickly. I've had it for about a week now, and barely ever turned the furnace on inside the house, so the RV. So I took off the regulator, as you can see, maybe up there, and here it is right here. Excuse me if I'm going too fast. This was nasty, and I'm not a LP genius by any sorts, but black oil was coming out of this end, and this was really let me see if I can yeah, thick with the black stuff. So I'm going to try to replace that and see what's going on, see if that'll fix this problem. All right, here's the status. I got a new tank, got it hooked up. It's full right here, you can just see. And what I did was right here, I replaced the entire regulator, and I got a new regulator, and it's all on. And I tested it out with good old soapy water, and this thing comes in handy. It's fine, runs great. There's no leaks. Let's go in and check it out. And here's the inside of the RV, and as you can see, the LP works great. The fires are going good. I don't know why this one's burns higher than all the rest. If anybody that's an RVer can tell me why that is. Okay. Thank you, everybody, and make sure to check out the other videos that I have. Alright, y'all have a good day.